They say Ghana make hard. Right now where I wake up where I say Ghana make hard rough, bad man. Where I cover my son who said, may I talk people something. So if you choose say Ghana go hard like this and right now dollar, the way dollar do right now. Bad man, we will try and do something about it. Because if not take people could die, oh. People could die, my nigga. If you don't take it, people just go die. If you don't take it, people could die, bad man. Ghana make hard to the extent say right now. You need play something. Let me repeat this thing. Ghana make hard too much. Today the cost I get. Today cost where I get. Everybody say Ghana make hard. Everybody, today, everybody where I go, everybody say Ghana make hard. I never see that thing before. Everybody. Wait, come and say Ghana make hard. Charlie. We beg everything. You, all the politicians, anything where we do you. We not say, if people say, vote for we, vote for us, vote for, we know the vote. Then we go vote for another person. Then if that person go come, that person can fuck up. Then we can't vote for you. We beg you, if it this thing way, we they do you poor way, maybe that's why you people they, that's why you put it like punish you like this, you beg. Dollar set, they said dollar set no dey Ghana, dollar. You don't get anywhere you go fit check the hard do, bad man. No. Government for do something for you, I beg. Government, we beg you. Government, from ex-government to new government, please, if we have done something wrong, tell us. We will come and apologize. Because, today, like, as my phone top, my Snapchat, my dear, you know it's you. Everybody say Ghana make hard. With me, I say like, oh, me, I live in a Shatta movement world, so I take visa, where I take enter Ghana, where I say, Ghana make hard at last. Ghana is hard. Ghana make hard, my nigga. And I beg this one, no one just talk am. But for talk am. The people with they make Ghana make hard. Make you just put this thing for your head inside. See, right now, as we dey talk, people them are girlfriends, people them are wives, people them are serious babes, because the way Ghana make hard, they try survive. So they do anything to survive. So if you be part of those people where they make Ghana make hard, just know say, if another party do come, if the same way, you to your wife, your girlfriend, your babe, your boo, they're gonna chop them too like that. Because the number of women where they tell me say, Ghana make hard, you know, is my nigga. The amount of women where they tell me say Ghana make hard, you know, is why should we live in a country like this? Why should we live in a place like this? Sad, oh, Charlie. Maybe people listen some.